What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Melody and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I don't know if the lighting is a little bit different. I tried something a little different so it's a little brighter to me. But I hope you guys are doing really well, and I hope that your 2018 thus far is going swimmingly. I am always bumping my chair into this picture, so if it's crooked, you know why that is. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean some brushes while I talk. I just decided that I really wanted to play in makeup because, you know, that's kind of like my most favorite thing ever to do, and I just enjoy it. And recently I had picked up some makeup that I really wanted to try out, and I really wanted to kind of just play in. Recently at the drugstore I picked up these Maybelline Master Chromes. I have pink undertones, so I figured that this pink one would really kind of complement my skin tone. And I also picked up this one. This is the Master Holographic Prismatic Highlighter. And holy moly. I also picked up the Anastasia Prism palette, and I am obsessed with it already. If you don't know what it looks like, I'm gonna try it like not to blind you. This is what it looks like, and it's beautiful on all accounts. This color right here, Throne, is what made me be like, okay, I have to get this. But I just wanted to play, okay? So we're just gonna jump right into it. I have so much stuff on my table right now. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm gonna use my Urban Decay, the Primer Potion. So I really want to blow out and do like kind of like a crazy, maybe not a crazy, but a really nice dark smoky eye. Not so much Taylor Momsen, but more like an Amy Lee from Evanescence. I just really love dark things, and I just love her style. I love her long jet black hair. I love her crazy makeup. She's just so naturally beautiful. Like I can't even, I don't even want to talk about how much I love Amy Lee. So that's a whole other video all on its own. I think I'm gonna go in with Lure. I just love the shade. I think it's a beautiful transition shade. And I am going to put that pretty high up, and I'm gonna draw it kind of out like that because, as I said, I really want to blow this look out. I want to blow it out of the water, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna blend it out. Anybody see the new Star Wars? If you personally know me, you know that I am obsessed with Kylo Ren. I'm gonna go in with Obsidian. Whoa, Mel, look what I done did. Would you look at that? Okay, so I laid down a base of Obsidian. I think I might try Osiris. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Dimension up here. It's like this purpley shade. I think I'm gonna put that in on the center. Oh, that's beautiful. Definitely gives it some dimension. I'm gonna go in with Lucid because it has this almost greenish yellow iridescence to it, and I think I want to pop that on the very center of, on top of Dimension. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. This is the L'Oreal Silkissime. I don't even know, but this is in the shade Plum. This would be a really great pop of color. Maybe not necessarily like pop of color, but I think that it adds something to it besides just black. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my primer. I'm going to go in with the Dr. Brandt's Luminizer Primer. Ooh, this is soft. I like it so far. I'm thinking I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy and Smooth. This is in the shade 110. This is my Bare Minerals brush, the Perfecting Face brush. It's got like a little, I don't know if you can see that, like a little dent for you to put your foundation in, and you can just kind of like buff it into the skin. Before I move on with concealer, I am going to go in and do my brows. Now, because I'm doing such a dark smoky eye, I want to make my brows dark as well. So I'm going to go in, this is the ColourPop Black and Brown. Now, if I mess up, which is highly likely, don't worry, I will be going in and concealing and cleaning up. Woo! Look at the difference. Kind of crazy, huh? So I'm just going to lightly go up here because I don't want to mess up my smoky eye. So I'm just going to kind of cut the brow. I'm going to use my finger. Oh yeah. Look at that brow. Cuts! Oh hell yeah! Look at them brows! Okay, so I'm just going to set my brows using my Anastasia brow gel because nothing glues these down quite like Anastasia. This video is not sponsored by Anastasia. She has no idea who I am. Of course, if this video somehow manages to get her attention, yes, put me on your PR list. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and conceal because your girl is like struggling with these bags. Look at these bags. So I'm going to go in. This is a new favorite. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I am in the shade Pale as a Ghost. Just kidding. It's called Fair Neutral. No, please don't break. Laura Geller's fine. I dropped Laura Geller, but she's okay, everybody. Okay, I'm just going to go wet this because I can't ever do that. So now I'm going to set things. I'm going to set all the things. My Milani Prep Set and Glow. As you can tell, this is well loved. This powder is amazing. If you have not tried it, girl, what are you doing with your life? It's amazing. Basically just my T-zone because that's really all I need to set is my T-zone. This is a really long video, so I really hope that you guys sat down with a snack or something because you guys are going to be here for a hot minute. I'm going to just take this little brush, the one that I used earlier to, I don't know what I did with this, but I used this brush and I'm just going to kind of smoke out a little bit because I have some remaining product. If I need to go back in with Obsidian, I will. I kind of sound like a mom. If I need to turn this car around, I will. If I need to go back in with Obsidian, I will. I don't know if anybody else has this or whatever, but I noticed this when I do my makeup. It's kind of similar to having hooded eyes, except it's on the bottom. Like, cause you know, like you do this and you do all your makeup and then you relax and then your work disappears because you have hooded eyes. Well, down here on the corners of my eyes, but I will do this and blend out my lower lash, and then when I relax, I have this little, like, almost like this little crevice right here. So when I relax my face, it kind of like disappears. It's weird. I don't know if I'm the only one who has that. I've never heard anyone else mention it. I'm going to use my tapered blending brush. I'm going to dip, go, boop, just one little dip into Obsidian. And then I'm going to blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going to add a quick layer of mascara. I stabbed my eyeball, y'all. That sucks. Holy moly, my eye is dripping. Please don't mess up my makeup. I'm sorry, eyeball. Just don't ruin all my hard work. I'm gonna go in with lashes. These are some of my favorites. These are the Salon Perfect Go Glam, the 615s. I don't know what it is about these lashes, but they're like some of my favorite, some of my favorite lashes to apply. The last video I uploaded, if you guys are interested, was how to apply falsies. It's just some tips and tricks that I have learned in the last few years about false lash application. If you guys are interested, I will link that down below so you guys can check it out. While those are drying, I'm going to finish up my face makeup. And of course, I'm using my butter bronzer because that's how I live my life. I just love how this gives me like a sun-kissed glow. And I like to work that all the way up into my hairline because it actually looks natural. But now I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. This is Fawn from Anastasia. Just going to do a little bit of sculpting. Okay, and now my favorite part, it's going to be highlight. This is the Master Holographic Prismatic Highlighter. The thing is that I've learned about the texture of this is that it looks kind of powdery and almost glittery, but it also almost like disintegrates. It like melts into your skin. Lips. This is from Tarte in collaboration with Bunny, who is like one of my favorites. This is Texas Toast. It's almost like a grayish tone mauve. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed my random ramblings, because that's what I felt like I did for about 2 hours that it took me to film this. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you are interested. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!